Yo, what's up, bros and broettes? Welcome back to the freaking vlog. Today we are actually going to be putting Infiniti J30 brake upgrade on Regina, aka the Evil Queen, aka my RB25 swapped 240SX. So let's get to it.
That car driving make you feel some type of way. That custom brightly make you feel some type of way.
Yo, what's up, guys? I am back. I finally got these calipers. They're all painted for the most part. At least all the stuff that you will see is painted. So this is how they turned out. I will eventually get to the rear calipers as well. But like I said, all the stuff that you will see is painted. Bottom side isn't. You don't see that. You don't see this part or this part, so I'm not really too worried about that. But I put a couple coats of the gold on each of these, and then let it dry, and then put a couple coats of the gloss. It turned out pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and take off these small rotors and brake calipers. These hoses actually look decent. They don't look cracked or anything, so I'm going to go ahead and keep these. So all I got to do is break this banjo bolt out down at the bottom here, and then bolt in the new calipers, bleed them, and change out the rotors as well, and also probably trim this dust shield, just the top part here. I have 10 snips, so this is actually pretty thin, so I'll probably be able to trim it with those. So let's go ahead and get to it, and I'm not going to show anything of me taking it off. It's pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure that you use the stock caliper bolts, the caliper bracket bolts, to bolt the J30 ones on, because I think the stock J30 bolts are a little bit too long and will rub into the rotor. But I will show you comparison of both the caliper and the rotor as far as stock versus J30. And so let's go from there. Alright guys, so I got the rotor and everything off already. I'm going to show you the new rotor, which is actually from a 2003 Nissan Sentra SER. Not the Spec-V, but the SER, with the one with the, which means it's still 4-lug, and it's the same diameter as the Infiniti J30. So, as you can see, way bigger. Tiny. That's the front. That is freaking tiny. And this is the new front. So I'm really looking forward to getting these in. I'm pretty sure the dust shield is going to get in the way. Yeah, dust shield is definitely going to rub. So gotta trim this up. I'm going to leave most of the dust shield on there. So, but I'm going to trim this lip off with some snips. Some 10 snips. My mind's in the gutter right now. So let me go ahead and get that trimmed. This is what I was talking about. This lip right here. I'm gonna cut that all the way off, all the way around, and then leave the back part of it on, just to make things easy. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and get that trimmed, and then once I get that caliper off, I'll show you guys what the caliper looks like. So let me get that done. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got the caliper off, got the new one bolted up in the bracket, but I'm going to show you the right side. Same, they look exactly the same aside from one says right, one says left, but this is the stock brake caliper. This is the J30. As you can see, this one is a lot bigger. It is 2-piston caliper. This one is a single piston, so definitely an upgrade. Very happy with the upgrade. I had J30 brakes on my car before when I had my other 240. Worked out great. Definitely more clamping force. So let's go ahead and get everything together in the front on this driver's side, and I'll show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then yeah. But definitely making progress on this car. I might take it down the street today just to see how the new drive shaft is, and to see if that fixed that clunking I was getting when I was backing up and whatnot. So yeah, let me go ahead and finish this up, bleed the brakes. I mean, we should be good to go as far as the brakes, the front brakes go. I'll eventually get to the rear brakes, but for today it's just the front. Just gonna finish up the front and call it a day. Hey guys, I just finished bolting everything up. The front, this front one is bled. It is, well, it's on there. So actually I might have to take that back off because these are a left and right side. Shit. Alright, caliper comes back off as well as the bracket, but it's already bled, so I'm not worried about it. I just have to switch the rotors because this is for the right side and this one's for the left side. My bad. With that said, I'm gonna get that switched and it is all done. But other than these and still having to do that side, it's finished. So I'm not gonna go too in depth with what I did over there and blah blah blah. I knew something was off when I was looking at it. But a quick update on the taillights. I have the taillights basically done. Yeah, this is a window weld polyurethane stuff gooped all around here to seal it real nice. And then I also kind of remade the little line right here that I had to cut out, and same for on this side. And then what I'll do is I'll go to Walmart or something and get some foam, some insulating foam, those kind that you stick, or window trim or door trim foam or whatever, and you know, make my borders around my holes so that it will seal up and I don't have to worry about water getting in. But with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the front brakes and call it a night. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, guys, because it definitely goes a long ways. My goal for 2018 was to get 1,000 subscribers. I didn't reach that goal, but it's still my goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. I haven't really set a date for myself yet or a time frame, but I definitely want to reach 1,000 subscribers. I know I'm slowly getting there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because guys, it does go a long ways. It helps get my content out there, it helps the channel grow. So with that said, until next time, peace out and never look back.